Hi, in today's class we'll see how to add two binary numbers. Okay, so we'll see addition of binary numbers. Before going to the addition of binary numbers, let us analyze how to add to two bits. Okay, so if whenever I am adding to two bits, I may have either 0 plus 0 or 0 plus 1 or 1 plus 0 or 1 plus 1. These are the four combinations that we'll have. So now let us add these bits together. So 0 plus 0, it will be 0. 0 plus 1, it will be 1. 1 plus 0, it will be 1 again. When it comes to the last one, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, binary addition of these two numbers. Okay, so here is where you need to know how to add these two numbers. So in order to add these two numbers, first what I'll do, anyway these are the binary numbers. Now what I'll do, I will convert this binary numbers to decimal numbers. So first we'll perform decimal addition and then we'll see what will be the output of the binary numbers. So 1 in decimal form, it will be 1 only. 1 in decimal form, it is 1. So 1 plus 1. So decimal equivalent of 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2. How do you represent this 2 in the binary form? Divide it with 2. So 2 ones are 0. So 1 0. So the binary equivalent of this decimal number 2 is 1 0. Okay. So when you add 1 plus 1, you will have 1 0. Okay. So 1 plus 1 is 1 0. And one more thing we'll see, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So when you are adding 1 plus 1, you have already got. When you add these two, you got as 1 0. So 1 0 plus 1 again now. So 1, now you need to add these numbers. So 0 plus 1, it is 1. 1 plus 0, nothing is there, it implies it is a 0. So 1 plus 0, it is 1 again. So when you add 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, the output is 1 1. Okay, so this is what the addition of two bits. Okay, so now what I'll do, I will take two binary numbers. The first binary number is 4-bit binary number. So let me take 1111 and the second binary number I'll take as 1011. Now we'll try to add these two numbers. So 1 plus 1, you already know, it is nothing but 1 0. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So how you will be adding the normal decimal numbers? In the same way, you need to add this binary numbers as well. So 1 plus 1, 1 0. So sum is 0 and carry is 1. So that carry I am writing here. So 1 plus 1, it is 1 0. 1 0 plus 1, it is again 1 1. So 1 I will write here and the other one here. 1 plus 1, 1 0. 1 0 plus 0, it is 1 0 again. So the carry I'll write here and sum I'll write here. So 1 plus 1, 1 0. 1 0 plus 1, it is 1 1. So this is the sum of two given binary numbers. This is how we add two binary numbers. So as an example, we'll see one more number. So let me take all ones together and add all of them. So 1 plus 1, 1 0. So 1 here and 0 here. 1 plus 1, 1 0. 1 0 plus 1, 1 1. So 1 I'll write here and the other one here. So 1 plus 1, 1 0. 1 0 plus 1, 1 1. So sum I'll write here and carry I'll write here. So again 1 plus 1, 1 0. 1 0 plus 1, 1 1. So this is the sum of two given binary numbers. Okay. If they give the binary numbers, it's fine. If you have to find the addition of two binary numbers, but they give the number in decimal like this. Let me consider they have given it something like this as an example, but they want the result in binary. So in that case, what you will do, first you need to convert this 12 and 13 to binary form and then you add both of them. Okay, so let me just take 12. If I want to convert the decimal number to binary, I need to divide it with 2. So 2 6 are 12, so 0 is a remainder, 2 3s are 6, again 0 is a remainder, 2 1s are 2, 1 is a remainder. So you know very well that we have to write it from bottom to top. So it is nothing but 12. The binary equivalent of decimal 12 is 1100 base 2. In the same way, this 13 also you need to convert to binary number. So 2 6 are 12, 1 is a remainder, 2 3 is a 6, 0 is a remainder, 2 1s are 2, 1 is a remainder. So again you need to represent this 13 in binary form. So 13 base 10, this base 10 indicates it is a decimal equivalent number. So it is nothing but 1101 base 2. Now what I need to do, I need to add, the given question is nothing but I need to add this 12 plus 13 base 10 and I want the result in binary. Okay, so you already know the binary equivalent of 12, which is nothing but 1100 base 2 plus the binary equivalent of 13, which is nothing but 1101 base 2. This you can add and give the result. So how will you add? Write the first number, second number 1011, add these two. So 0 plus 1 it is 1, 0 plus 0 it is 0, 1 plus 1 1 0. So sum here, carry here. So 1 plus 1 1 0, 1 0 plus 1 1 1. So this is the sum of the given numbers. So 12 base 10 plus 13 base 10, 13 base 10 is nothing but 11001 base 2. So this is how we add two binary numbers or two decimal numbers, but the result is in binary. Thank you.